Perfect your English. Mastering the art of conversation fillers. Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to dive deep into a vital part of everyday English conversations: fillers. Fillers are words or phrases we often use in conversations while we're thinking about what to say next. Examples include you know, like, so, etc. They can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Fillers are words or short phrases that we insert into our speech when we're thinking about what to say next. They give us a moment to gather our thoughts, making our speech seem more fluent and natural. They are also used to show that we're still engaged in the conversation, even when we're not speaking. You'll often hear native English speakers using words like like, you know, and phrases such as I mean, and sort of. Some common fillers in English are and These are used to indicate a short pause while you're thinking about what to say next. Another common filler is like. It's often used in casual conversation and can be inserted almost anywhere in a sentence. For example, I was, like, so surprised. You know, is used when the speaker wants to make sure the listener understands or agrees. For example, it's really hot today, you know? I mean, is used to clarify or correct what the speaker just said. For example, I didn't like the movie. I mean, it was okay, but I wouldn't watch it again. Now, we're going to do some listening exercises. These exercises will help you become more familiar with fillers in natural speech. Exercise 1. I'll read a short paragraph that includes a few fillers. Try to identify them as you listen. I was, thinking about going to the, new restaurant downtown. It's, like, supposed to be really good. You know, a lot of my friends have, recommended it. So, I thought, why not? Exercise 2. Now, I'll read the same paragraph, but this time I'll pause after each sentence. See if you can repeat what I said, including the fillers. I was, thinking about going to the, new restaurant downtown. Pause for repetition. It's, like, supposed to be really good. Pause for repetition. You know, a lot of my friends have, recommended it. Pause for repetition. So, I thought, why not? Pause for repetition. Keep practicing these exercises until you feel comfortable with these fillers. That brings us to the end of our lesson on fillers. Remember, the key to mastering fillers is to listen to lots of natural English and to practice using them in your own speech. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Thank you for joining today, and keep practicing your English.